Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we replace the dead battery in an updated Mercedes-Benz key fob style with a fresh one. This fob was first introduced in 2017 in some E-Class models and has since spread to some C-Class models. We'll need a new CR2032, but will not need a single tool. We want to remove a cover on the back of the fob, and the mechanical key needs to come out first for access. Push the release button on the back of the fob as shown, and pull on the key ring, and we have the mechanical key. Now press the same button again, which releases the cover. Use a fingernail to get between the chrome bezel and the cover, and it will move down, where you can then get under it to pull it away. The battery is held in a clever drawer shown here. Simply pull it out and turn it over. The battery is seen with its markings down and is easily removed. And there's our CR2032. A new battery drops in easily, starting against the front of the drawer. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. You will likely need to make a final move with a finger and use the cloth to clean it one more time. Make sure the battery's markings are down. Turn the drawer back over and slide it back into place. Slip the cover back on, leaving a small gap between it and the chrome bezel. Then push it forward until it snaps into place. Return the mechanical key. Then test the locks. And you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.